Are you into design, social innovation, or entrepreneurship? No need to choose. Now you can combine all three by joining a distance learning program made for working professionals. Great minds from the fields of design, social innovation, and entrepreneurship have come together to create the MA in Design for Social Innovation. The aim is to ignite your creativity and guide you as you sharpen your skills through the field of social innovation, while you master your key design and leadership skills. This MA is a joint programme offered by two leading universities in Cyprus. That means you will be actively involved in a versatile learning environment, drawing on vast experience and knowledge in the relevant fields. The course modules for this MA were tailor-made to unlock your full potential in the field, as you explore practice-based learning through research, while you create different individual projects and take part in collaborative projects. And there is no need to stress over time management, as you can adjust the programme to your own needs, since it is available for full and part-time study, with an expected length of 1.5 to 3 years. You can even switch between the two throughout the course. This MA is designed to run fully online in English, providing you with access to Google's online learning suite, as well as access to digital libraries and resources of two academic institutions, anywhere, anytime. So, it's time to level up. Choose the MA in Design for Social Innovation.